Yo, what's going on guys, welcome back to another Shotcut tutorial. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to export audio. Now I have right here an MP4 file, but it's an audio file, so I want to get it into the MP3 format. So what I want to do is I'm just going to get the video clip into my timeline right here. Then I want to go into export, so I'm just going to follow the same stuff, but instead of clicking the H264 high profile, I'm going to scroll down until you find the audio section, and then you're just going to click MP3. So these are all the different audio sections you go for WAV. Obviously when it comes into here, you want it from the timeline, you don't want it from the source, from the timeline. Advanced frames per second is going to go to 30 again, just because I don't think it really matters, but the quality is going to want to go to 70%. So that's pretty much it. You can go about with the audio if you want. It should be fine, it should be what comes up in the timeline. So if you're happy with what's in the timeline, just do this. You click export file, you type in the name, and then you click export, and then it'll come up over in the job section over here, just like it would with any video file. All it is just exporting it to an MP3 file. That's the only difference, but just so you're aware of that, and in case you need any help. Hope this helps. If it does, smash a thumbs up. Also, let's get ready for more videos. I have so much more coming. I think we're at like 43 weeks of consecutive uploads, which is kind of mad. 43 weeks. Keep watching. We're going to get to that 52. Subscribe, because my videos had the best content on YouTube. That's what you subscribe for, the best football content on YouTube, because we're bringing that back. Last video, stay for next video, check out the last video, and peace. Export, so I'm just going to follow the same stuff, but instead of clicking the H264 high profile, I'm going to scroll down until you find the audio section, and then you're just going to click MP3. So these are all the different audio sections you go for WAV. Obviously when it comes into here, you want it from the timeline, you don't want it from the source.